Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to share a board in monday.com. First, navigate to the board that you want to share, then simply click on invite right here, or click on copy link and send the link to anyone. Just click on invite and search by name, team or email address. So insert the email addresses of the people that you want to share this board with, and as you can see, only invited people can find this board. So as you can see here, you can add board guests, so you can add and invite board guests, people that can only see but not edit the board. It is really simple. Just send an invite via email or just send them a link by this button. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.